Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something that I did when I was a little kid. I'm gonna shoot it out there. Okay. Recordando viejos tiempos de la infancia, voy a dispararles arriba. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Guys, I've been enjoying this place so much. It's so peaceful, it's so cool, it's so relaxing. He estado disfrutando este lugar bastante. Es muy pacífico, relajante. Es muy bueno. But there's something that I can show you guys. I've been telling you guys about plastic, and this time I'm gonna tell you about styrofoam. Okay, styrofoam is this material. Ya hemos estado hablando de botellas plásticas, ahora voy a hablarles del icopor. You know this material, right? That we use for packing food or other stuff. This is really a material that it doesn't degrade. It doesn't die, if I can say that, for many years. Este es un material que perdura por muchos años. And you know what? Look at this place. Look how polluted it is. All that is styrofoam. All the white thing. Todo eso blanco que se ve es icopor. This is just outrageous, guys. And remember the typhoon that I told you before? ¿Recuerdan el tifón que les dije, el tornado? You just got all this styrofoam here. And this place is all full of it. So el tifón trajo todo este icopor aquí. Y todo este lugar está lleno de eso. This is unbelievable. Please, guys, let's do something. Let's stop using styrofoam. Let's stop using plastic bags, plastic bottles the most we can. Por favor, dejemos de usar tantas botellas plásticas, bolsas plásticas y icopor en lo posible. We don't know how much damage we're causing to the environment. Aún no somos conscientes de todo el daño que le estamos haciendo a nuestro medio ambiente. Hagamos algo, por favor. Let's do something, okay? Let's do something together. We can do it. Okay, guys. See you later.